Morning students, today we have to discuss of introduction of asan and pranayam. Okay, it means today our topic is asan and pranayam after finishing the Ashtanga yoga. Okay, now first we have to talk about the asan. Now we talk about the asan. Asan is the third stage of Ashtanga yoga. It means yam, yama, niyama, and third one is asan. Okay, students, this is the third stage of Ashtanga Yoga. Uh, in this asana, we have no in a previous period. This is a slow stretching movement. Okay. Today we have to discuss about the types. How many types of asana? This is a three type of asana. First is meditative asana. Okay. In meditative asana, we have to sit in a long period, long time without any hesitation or fatigue or tiredness. Okay, in this asana, now we give an example like Padmasana, Sukhasana, etc. is a meditative asana. In this asana, we have to sit a long time. Okay, now we talk about the relaxation. Sorry, we talk about the second type, relaxative asana. In relaxative asana, we have to know about his name. We feel a relaxed position after this asana and feel calm and feeling good, removing the tiredness. Also in this asana we have to improve our efficiency. We feel calm. You see, we have to talk about the example like Shavasana and Makrasana come in this asana. Okay, now we talk about the third type of asana. Third is cultural or corrective asana. In this asana, we have to know about the right posture of the asana and how to sit and how to do a right posture of asana and sitting position. We have to correct. Okay, in this asana, you see in this picture some example is there. This is a Mayurasana. Vajrasana also is there, and Paschimottanasana. Lot of asana is there. We have to provide in a notes. Okay, students. So all three type we have to define. After then we talk about the pranayam. Okay, now we talk about the pranayam. We have to discuss about the pranayam in a Ashtanga yoga. This is the breathing related to breathing system or respiratory system. Okay, we have to discuss previously. Now we have to remind. You know very well, if you are doing any pranayam, then our breathing movement is very important in this pranayam, in any pranayam. Because of that we have to inhale the breath, after then hold, and last is exhale. It means we have to discuss about the three word Purak, Rechak, Kumbhak. These three word you know very well. ये थ्री वर्ड बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं बच्चों. इनको हम इंग्लिश में कह सकते हैं इनहेल, एक्सहेल एंड होल्ड. मीन्स होल्डिंग द ब्रेथ. इफ़ वी आर डूइंग एनी प्राणायाम, अगर हम कोई प्राणायाम करेंगे तो ये थ्री स्टेप के थ्रू ही प्राणायाम प्रॉपर होता है. ओके, नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ प्राणायाम. यू नो वेरी वेल टू टाइप, internal and external. You know about the kumbhak have a two part, internal and external. You have to see in last picture. Internal kumbhak means you have inhale your breath in a last position, after then you hold that. Okay, this is the internal kumbhak. After some time you have to release all breath. This is the external kumbhak is that. ओके आई थिंक प्राणायाम इज़ क्लियर. ये प्राणायाम पूरी तरीके से क्लियर हो गया है बच्चों का अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. सांस को लेना, रोकना, लास्ट टाइम तक जितना खींच सकते हो उसके बाद उसे कहते हैं इंटरनल कुंभक. उसके बाद छोड़ना, एक्सटर्नल कुंभक. ओके, और थ्री स्टेप इज़ देयर. पूरक, रेचक, कुंभक. ऑल्सो यू हैव टू learn these three words if you are explain the pranayam. Okay, now we talk about the example of pranayams. This is the Surya Vedic pranayam. You have inhale, you have oxygen उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपने अंदर लोगे. उसके बाद you press one way nose. After then you release the oxygen to other way. Okay, this is the Surya Vedic pranayam everybody know about. And second is Anulom Vilom. You have to know this is the same process there. Okay, next is Ujjayi pranayam. In Ujjayi pranayam we have to produce the sound. Okay, with the help of your throat, and you have to produce your sound with concentration in this pranayam. Okay, now we have to talk about the next. In a Satli pranayam you have to see in the picture what is the shape of your tongue. In a O shape is must in Satli pranayam. After then you inhale the breath and you feel cool and cold in internal system. Okay, now next is Sitkari pranayam. In Sitkari pranayam you have to close your mouth with the help of teeth and your lips is open. In this picture you have to see. Okay, after then you inhale the breath and then you feel cool and cold with the help of this pranayam. Okay, students, I think your two topic is complete. Asana and pranayam completely with the help with the types and how many types is there. Okay, students, thank you very much. Have a nice day. If you have any problem then message me, and your notes is also provide in a PDF form. Okay.